What is your say? Kalau orang kata orang lagi tua tu semua betul?
Salah.
Okay.
Totally salah. Salah.
Okay.
You are old. You are, orang kata season kan. Tak semestinya you 100% betul. Orang kata apa, warga emas. You think that you are always right. You think that you ada pengalaman hidup yang banyak. Jadi semua benda yang you lihat from you punya kacamata tu semuanya harus mengikut you punya preference. Kononnya you have seen things and you have seen bad things, you have seen good things, you nak yang terbaik lah.
Dia orang kata makan garang dulu.
Betul. But it doesn't mean that you're always right. I do respect them and I have a very utmost respect for the elders, to be honest. Kalau bawa kereta tu, ni orang tua kan. Dulu dia bawa kereta zaman 70-an, 60-an nak beli kereta bapak payah, dia bawa ikut sekati dia lah. Mungkin masa tu jual kereta pun tak mari sekali dengan signal. Mari nak masuk, dia masuk. Dia nak corner, dia corner. Dia tak beri signal. Tangan, kaki pun tak beri. Hak dia beri numbuk kalau mohon. Dia beri kaki pun bila dia keluar kereta. Dia beri tangan pun tangan dia bawa turun tikar. Kita ada satu hormat yang tinggi pada orang tua. Tapi tidak semestinya orang tua ni boleh memperlakukan kita sewenang-wenang. Sebab respect ni dia reciprocal. Dalam budaya kita, yang tua dihormati oleh yang muda, yang muda dihormati oleh yang tua. Aku bukan hormat kamu ya, bukan orang muda je hormat kau orang tua. Orang tua pun hormat kau orang muda. That is how we develop a good relationship. However, dia tak menjadikan orang tua tu betul, because you guys make mistake when you were young. Bukannya hidup zaman tu semua orang di zaman itu buat benda yang perfect, benda yang sempurna, yang tak ada langsung kesilapan. You make mistake as well. So allow us to make mistake, guide us. I mean, everyone learn from the mistakes. We will make mistake in our life. The generation before us, our forefathers make mistakes and they learn from it and allow us to make such a mistakes, and we want to learn from it. What we need from the older generation is a support.
I guess stopping the next generation from doing mistake will make them weaker.
Exactly. I agree with that.